In this video, I'm going to be changing your life because I'm going to be telling you a platform that is going to make your TikTok shop affiliate go viral. All right. So the software that we're talking about is Kalodata. So Kalodata is one of the best tools for TikTok shop analytics and insights. And the best part is that it gives you a free 7-day trial without any credit card. All right. So once we sign up, this is basically what Kalodata looks like. All right. Now, to actually scale yourself up in the affiliate rankings, first of all, you can actually check the competitors list, okay? You can check who is competing with you on the high rankings. And if you actually want to get ahead into all the things that it offers you, you can go category by category. So let's say I'm going to go in category. And look at this. So in the fashion accessories category, you can see how much revenue is being created, how much growth, and you can check the products that are making this growth, okay? And moving on, we have shop. Now in shop as well, you can see which shops are going at the top right now in the fashion category. You can change your analytics as well. You can change your filtrations. Let's say I'm going to go with everything in general, and look at this. You can get all the analytics for different categories, and for different categories you can actually go ahead and check which one is going to work best for you in your category, etc. So this is how you are going to scour through the TikTok shop affiliate journey. So definitely use Kalodata for yourself and get good revenue. In this video, we're going to be talking about Kalodata and how you can use one of the best TikTok shop analytic and insight tools out there. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to kalodata.com and click on start free 7-day trial. Now, the best part about Kalodata is that it requires no credit card and it gives you 7 days for free. So what you're going to do to sign up is you're simply going to click on sign up over here. You're going to add in your email and you're going to click on send code. Now, once you click on send code, you're simply going to wait for the code to reach your account. Okay, so the code just reached me. It is 692, okay, 6925280. So this is basically the code that I have gotten for my account. Now, once we have gotten this code, we're going to go ahead to sign up. And once we click on sign up, it's going to basically take us through the main analytical exploring sections. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead with some random, okay? You're simply going to add your information, click on next. And once you do this, I'm going to go ahead with confirm, okay? These aren't really important things, and now we are in. So basically, to use this, you have different features for yourself, all right? So the different features that you can get is, first of all, go in shop, and you can see the different things that are ranking up in shop. So you have micro ingredients, which have a revenue of 2.37 million. Then you have Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Hilara US, Miami Or. So basically, the products go on. And you can also go ahead and check different creators that are on the top when it comes to TikTok shop. Okay, then moving on, we have products. We can actually see different products that are going in the top. So these are different analytics that you can follow. And then finally, you can check the affiliate creators that are with you in the competitors list, hot videos that are being searched recently. You can search a category up. So let's say I'm going to go with fashion. All right. So you're going to turn on the fashion category, get the answer, and what it does is it gives you the hottest videos that are going on for the certain set category that you've searched up, and you, just like this, can affiliate your shop too, okay? In this video, we're going to be talking about TikTok shop and how you're going to be creating one for yourself. So to start things out, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to TikTok shop, okay? And over here, you're going to click on get started. And once you click on get started, it says there's 4 main ways to shop, okay? Live shopping, shoppable videos, product showcase, and shop tab. So basically, according to these, you could either become a seller who basically sells products, okay? Then there's a creator that basically showcases the products that the sellers sell. Then there's partner. A partner is basically a person who generates leads and collaborations, gives training and development, or you could be an affiliate. So I'm going to be a seller because obviously that's what shop is about. And once you go on seller, you're going to go to learn more. And what this does is it brings you to the actual seller central. So over here, you're going to choose your region. So I'm going to go with Asia seller. And once you go to Asian seller, you're going to choose the region you're in. Okay. And once you go ahead with that, what you're simply going to want to do is you're going to create an account, log in and everything. And once you do that, that is going to set your TikTok shop up. And that is how you are going to create a TikTok shop. In this video, we're going to be talking about TikTok shop and how you're going to become their affiliate. Okay. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to business.tiktokshop.com. Now over here, you're going to scroll down to where it says TikTok shop for you. Now here it says, I am a seller, creator, partner, affiliate. We're going to go over to affiliate and we're going to click on learn more from here. And once you click on learn more, it's going to take you to the business TikTok section where it brings you to the affiliation. Now, affiliation could be for sellers and creators. So for creators, you are going to basically share products from sellers, and for sellers, you're going to find creators to promote your products. Okay. Now, it depends on you on whatever you want to go with. So let's say I'm going to go with a creator because that's what mainly affiliation is. You're going to take products from sellers and showcase them to the world. And once the products sell through you, you're going to get a commission off of it. So you can join it right now by simply, you have, let's say, a TikTok already signed up. You're going to get permission from the seller to sell their product, add your contact info, showcase, and finally get the samples and sell the product. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. That is how you can become a TikTok shop affiliate. In this video, I'm going to be changing your life because I'm going to be telling you a platform that is going to make your TikTok shop affiliate go viral. All right. So the software that we're talking about is Kalodata. So Kalodata is one of the best tools for TikTok shop analytics and insights. And the best part is that it gives you a free 7-day trial without any credit card. All right. So once we sign up, this is basically what Kalodata looks like. All right. Now, to actually scale yourself up in the affiliate rankings, first of all, you can actually check the competitors list. Okay, you can check who is competing with you on the high rankings, and if you actually want to get ahead into all the things that it offers you, you can go category by category. So let's say I'm going to go in category, and look at this. So in the fashion accessories category, you can see how much revenue is being created, how much growth, and you can check the products that are making this growth. Okay. And moving on, we have shop. Now in shop as well, you can see which shops are going at the top right now in the fashion category. You can change your analytics as well. You can change your filtrations. Let's say I'm going to go with everything in general, and look at this. You can get all the analytics for different categories, and for different categories, you can actually go ahead and check which one is going to work best for you in your category, etc. So this is how you are going to scour through the TikTok shop affiliate journey. So definitely use Kalodata for yourself and get good revenue. In this video, I'm going to be telling you a very simple way on how you can add products in your TikTok shop. So basically, once you're signed up with your TikTok shop, what's going to happen is that you're going to come to a business management portal. So it's going to look somewhat like this. So basically, in this management portal, you're going to go over to products, you're going to go over to manage products, and once you're over here, you're going to click on add new product, and from there on out, you can add the product according to however you want, and that is how you can add a new product for yourself in TikTok shop. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you on how you can become a TikTok shop affiliate without 5,000 followers. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to come to shop.tiktok.com, and once you're over here, you're going to come down to the affiliate guide section, okay? And the affiliate guide section, what you can do is you can simply go over to the TikTok shop affiliate. And once you're over here, basically what happens is that you can join and connect through the creators, and you don't necessarily need 5,000 followers. Okay. So basically you can either be a seller or you could be a creator. So you're going to find products, get samples, and then sell products. All right. So it depends on what you're going to want to do. Sellers cannot get the sample. Creators, on the other hand, can get samples to actually, show to the world. So for sellers, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Seller Central, go to Affiliate, Get Started, and set up collaborations. Creators, on the other hand, are going to create the account, get permission from the seller to sell the products. You're going to add your contact info, add products to your showcase, get samples, and sell the product. Okay, you do not need 5,000 followers for this. You can have the limited amount of followers as well. You just need to get permission from the actual seller and you're good to go. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to become a TikTok shop affiliate without 5,000 followers. If you want to learn how you are going to be scouring in the high rankings of TikTok shop and you want tips for that, then the best thing I can suggest to you is Kalodata. So Kalodata is basically a software which is the best tool in TikTok Shop analytics and insight helper. Okay, so to work with Kalodata, what you're going to do is basically, first of all, we're going to come over to Explore, let's say. Now in Explore, you can see we have competitors list, affiliate creators, trending products, so you can get an analytics of all of these things. So let's say I want to see what video is selling hot lately in, let's say, the automotive and motorcycle equipment. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click on get an answer. Now what this does is it shows us the top videos that are going nowadays for, let's say, motorcycle equipment. You have all of this is basically a battery, jump starter, etc. So it goes on and on. So not only this, you can actually check the different categories in which people are scouring in products. So the automotive and motorcycle categories, we have the portable inflator, we have more streaming devices, and we have the diffuser. And moving on, you can actually see which shops are going in the top as well for the motor appliances. You have AutoSky, Fantech, CE Craft Company, Golu, Kiha. So it keeps going on and on. Then we can also see the creators that are selling these products on their affiliation, and you can approach these creators if you're selling these products, and you can tell them to sell your product as well, and look at the revenue that these creators make. Pretty incredible, right? So just like this, you can become a great TikTok Shop affiliate marketer. All right, so just use Kalodata and you should be good to go. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you what TikTok Shop affiliate marketing is and how you can do it for yourself. So basically, TikTok, as we know, is one of the most top leading social media platforms out there, and if you want to go ahead and use TikTok Shop for yourself, you can. But how do you become an affiliate marketer? Okay, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to keep a minimum commission rate. Okay, so there's 0% commission rates, which are basically not allowed on the platform. You're going to keep a minimum requirement of the stock levels that you must hold in order, because there is no minimum inventory level required. You do need samples to participate in the affiliate program, and the differences are that the plans depend on creator coverage, product coverage, and commission settings. Now you have two plans, which is the shop plan and open plan. The shop plan sets a universal commission rate for all products. Open plan lets you choose which products you want to upload to affiliate and set custom commission rates. You can only enable free samples on open plan. Okay, so you can also apply for samples. Okay, if you decide that you can apply samples, you can set rules and criteria for people that must meet in order to be eligible for your samples. You can track who has posted content with your samples, how creators link products to their content with your samples, and you can also choose to promote your products by other creators. Okay, so basically, all you're going to want to do is you're going to sign up with the TikTok Shop. Okay, you're going to make sure to choose the proper location, and once you have done that, what you're going to do is you're going to apply for their affiliate program through the affiliate guide. Okay, you're going to go into, let's say I'm going to go with the United States, and it's going to start giving me the affiliate guide, and according to your country, you're going to go ahead and follow their steps. Mainly, you're going to go ahead and promote your products on your TikTok through videos by making reels or shorts, and that is how you're going to be doing TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can become a TikTok Shop affiliate and actually grow your business by using AI. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're obviously going to make sure that you're signed up with TikTok Shop. Now, once you're signed in and everything, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to D-ID. Okay, now D-ID.com is one of the greatest AI creators out there. And what they're going to do is they're going to allow you to get different AI models. Basically, what it does is it gives you a natural user interface, just like this. And this user interface will do talking and gestures for you, and you can simply allow it to talk about the products that you're actually affiliating for. And what you can do is just use the AI agents that D-ID gives you, and you can find those AI agents right over here. So simply use these AI agents to showcase the products that you have got on your TikTok affiliate, and once you get those products, you're pretty much good to go from there. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. That is how you can become an affiliate on TikTok with AI. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.